Hello guys, and I made a new slime texture. Let me show you. If you're wondering what this slime texture is called, diamond slime texture. It looks like Bingsu beads, but it makes amazing bubble pops and crunches and squeezes. And it looks amazing. I made this slime texture from my mom's old diamond art, from the diamond art beads that come with the diamond art painting. My mom had a ton of extra, so she gave me and my friend some to make some slime with. Kudos to my mom for making this new DIY slime texture. And do you want to see a part 2 of how I make it? Comment down below if there's a comment